Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the channel. If you happen to be new here, I do a restoration every Wednesday and I do a flea market haul every Sunday. This week, we're gonna be doing the number 12 scraper. Without any further ado, I say we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, the number 12 floor scraper. She is rusty and nasty looking, but I think we can clean her up and get her right back into action. So let's do this. I was a little worried the screws wouldn't come out. Ooh, that one's chunky. So I have never done one of these scrapers before. So this is all new to me. This is a nice wooden handle. It's in pretty good shape. Well, let's find out how this comes apart. Looks like it's just that right there. I guess this is what takes the blade out. Yep, that's the blade. Okay. So I don't see Stanley written on this, so I don't know if it is a Stanley or not. We'll have to just figure this out, right? This whole thing's got to come out somehow. Let me throw this on a wire wheel real quick and see if there's some pins that are hidden or something. Because I don't see how that comes out. Give me a second. Get you rearranged. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the pin is right there. That's going to be pretty hard to get out. And then there's another pin somewhere in there. I can't see it though. So let me grab some punches. Okay, so that little pin came out of here. I reckon this just unscrews. You guys can't even see what the hell I'm doing. There's that section out. Such a pain in the ass. That's brass. I'll have to polish that up. Alright, so I am extremely winded right now. I had to drill these out. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. Of course, camera's not going to work like usual. But I had to drill these out. I don't know what kind of wizardry put that together, but they're small pins about that big. And I guess you're only supposed to put one in. I don't know. I still haven't really figured it out. I don't know why they did it that way, but it's pretty shitful. So now I'm going to have to tap and dye those out. But first, I'm going to get this soaking in a tub of Evaporust. Alright, so out of the Evaporust and off the wire wheel. Came out pretty good. There is a bit of a pit right here. I don't think it's going to affect the operation of it. The rest of it's in really good shape. It's just that one little spot right there. But what do you do? Sides are really nice. But yeah, it cleaned up pretty good. All of the hardware cleaned up really well too. So it's quite cool to see this stuff all come back to the way it's supposed to be. And of course none of this is going to show because my camera's not going to work. These pieces came out really nice as well. Quite happy with those. I do need to tap and dye the ends here. This side's still open, this side is not. And this side, of course, is not. I gotta get these. Well, if that'll show up. I gotta tap and dye that out. And on that side as well. I think I'm gonna tap them, pull them out, and replace them with brass rods. That's what I think I'm going to do. Aha! Pulled it right out. Nice. Alright. So I'm going to put a nice layer of Johnson's on this. I think the Johnson's will work nice to keep it protected, and that'll give me the look that I'm trying to achieve. Pollen started already, guys. Jeez. Let that tack up on there a couple of minutes. See? Johnson's. Alright, well, let's see what this looks like. Get the bulk of the Johnson's off there. I'm going for a antique look, like a not restored look, and I think I kind of achieved it right here. See how it's matted, shiny, it's still textured. I didn't sand the hell out of it or nothing. this is where the scraper blade goes. So of course that's really tarnished up, but so what I'm looking for, and I don't have the right size, so what I think I'm going to do, grind a point onto this. That'll give me a guide, because it's like 1/1000th off. I mean, could I drill that out larger? Yeah, I could, but so let me throw this on the sander real quick. Give me a sec. See it? Kind of looks classy, don't it? Nice brass end on there. Yeah, I like that. So that went there. Where's the pin for that? Oh, here it is. Well, what do you think? Came out pretty good, huh? Stanley number 12. You know what I think I might do? Right on there, number 12. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. The Stanley number 12 scraper came out fantastic. The brass polished up nice. The steel came out good. Everything about this is perfect. So I'm quite happy with it. This is going to be a viable user for the shop. So I hope you guys liked it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.